Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel that I would like to show you the updates for Ethereum USDT trade and pair with my customer Saab. What's going on now? All right, guys. So we landed to this daily imbalance zone. What I showed you in last Ethereum video. I'm waiting the test of 3K659. This is going to be the perfect scenario for Ethereum. So we're going to test 61 level by FEEP and can go straight forward to the new all-time high. So my take for Ethereum is still the same: 6K825 or 9K991. So I don't think so. The Ethereum will hit the 10K this cycle. Of course, everything possible, but I'm not that optimistic. So liquidation heat map, guys, under this one, 3K743 on the Binance 48-hour liquidation. Let's check the 3 days liquidation heat map. Let me show you. By the way, guys, of course, when we check some liquidation heat map, it doesn't mean if the price will crash it down to that level, all of that position will be liquidated. No, it's just max pain, because somebody will add the margin, somebody will cut during the downfall, cut the losses, somebody, I don't know, maybe use the cross margin. So we can't know. On the levels, it's like 3K700, so it's hard to say, does it make sense to drop now to this level if above we got like 4K200s? More liquidations, but now it's like end of the month, you know, and usually we need to come down a little bit, maybe move in a sideline by end of the month, close to the month candle. Take a look after that, what's going on. So here, yes, more attractive, of course, at the top, 4K 250. So 4K 250. So this level, like 78 level by FEEP. All right. So heat map we can close. CoinGlass Legend. This is another metric. So it's in the daily time frame. Liquidation heat map. So basically all levels are already liquidated. Under, I don't know if you see this one. It's like not a big deal for liquidation. If we check the weekly time frame, under is only the gap, so it's not showing us even the liquidations. If we check the 12 time frame liquidations, let me show you. Yes, not a big deal for the crazy pools for liquidation. All right, so test this gap tested, but not close enough, I guess. You know, that's why be careful, because we can see one more drop to close the 50%. So 3K789 will be more and more logical to see, even the full fill. So yes, 3K700 for me personally will be more than okay. I don't think so. We're going to drop to 3K285 to 0.5 level by FEEP. But yes, of course, this level also attractive. Buy line now on a daily time frame is 2K625. I don't think so. We will drop to that level. Of course, in crypto, there's no safe places. So for me personally, chart looks more logic to see this move, some double bottom, and go straight forward to the 5K881 in October, November. Test, maybe pull back and a new all-time high. I don't know, maybe a little bit over than 6K825, maybe 7K250. We can't know, guys. No makes sense to try and predict the exact top. So just mark the level. So for example, if you hold the Ethereum and you're ready to fix a profit at 6K825, you can fix it. No makes sense to wait 7K or 8K if you're already make a deal with yourself, you know, so you're ready to fix here. So that's the point. If you wait at 10K, you can wait it. Maybe you will not see that levels, but if we will, you will be right, but only the time will show us. That's why this liquidity pool done under its daily gap. So I'm waiting that has 3K787, $200 down for Ethereum. It's not a big deal. Or maybe the $300 down for Ethereum. If you want to buy Ethereum now, on the futures, I don't know, you can add the stop loss here like 3%, 6% with second leverage. Maybe makes sense. Try it. With the targets, so of course the target is here. So basically it's like 6% against the 100% with the second leverage profit, maybe the good win ratio, but it's up to you. I'm better wait this test, maybe this weekend. or the next Monday. So now 4 hour time frame looks not so bullish one. Usually we form, you know, like a 3 rise pattern, 1, 2, and usually we form something like this one, 3, and go higher. So that's the case. I'm waiting, not like I'm waiting to reshape recover move. No, I'm waiting to just a slowly boring 1, 2, 3 chop, test, and some double bottom on the 4 hour time frame and reversal move by end of this month, maybe. And around 10 October 10, I think we can see the new high. But of course, it's just my theory. So zone of interest I showed you, I don't think so. We're going to test this one or the daily time frame buy line, but it's possible, just in case. Imagine the fear in the market if the Ethereum will drop under 3K. It's going to be just a madness. 4 hour time frame, also it's 2K900, 44. I don't think so. We're going to drop that low. Weekly time frame, so under is here. So this is why also this level is attractive, because even under we get the gap 3K285. But I don't think so. We're gonna drop to 3K285. I think we're gonna hold the line here. So that this week and the next, maybe next one, we tested here. And at the beginning of October, we'll see the green candle up. If not, guys, we can be in trouble. So buy line is 2K on a weekly time frame. I don't think so. We're gonna drop that low. That's why, yes, we can close the take profit. Like conclusion, guys. Yes, I'm wait the 3K700, 3K659. If you want to open trade, and maybe even I will trade, trying to open trade here. Stop loss, kind of big one, like 8%, so 16% with the second leverage. So maybe this one, I'm gonna try it. So if we test 3K659, this can be the logical entry with a stop loss like with second leverage, 7% stop loss, 3K521. Here, first trouble area will be 4K425, so it's a 40% profit with the second leverage, and after that, only the sky's the limit for the Ethereum. So makes sense. Anyway, we should try. If you want to trade, you know, and we trade, you should try. 12 time frame, we're in the dump it in the accumulation zone. It's bullish one. It's bullish. So we are just like here. It was the 4K700, and we now trade like $800 down, but it was a distribution zone. Now it's a crazy accumulation zone on 12 time frame. It's a good one. Daily, also crazy accumulation. So last time when we saw this crazy accumulation zone, it was here in June 25. What happened next? You know. So just take a look. Everything's not random, guys. Here it was a total divergency on ADZ, top in June, top in August, and we formed a divergency. Now, this is crazy accumulation. This is accumulation. Of course, here, yes, we bounce it and dump it. So 2K140, we bounce like 400, and after that dump 1K down, but I don't remember exactly what happened at that time in March 25. But based on seasonality, guys, no makes sense to dump now in October, November. Just my humble opinion. Weekly time frame, this is a distribution. Now we just touched the middle line, but it can be the beginning of big divergency, something like this one. And it can be the pom, and I don't know, maybe it's going to be the spring 76 end of cycle for the alts. Makes sense. Direction market mood. This I totally agree. It's not a right time to hop all in Ethereum. It's too risky. Signal to sell. All right, what happened the last time when we saw the signal to sell on the weekly? So here is the signal to sell. We saw the drop from that week, like 24%, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks more, 23% drop. So what we can see here, and this is a signal to sell, 23% down more. This can be, yes, this one, 3K285. Of course, I don't think so the history should repeat. right? But of course, this is not like time for a lean. What is good on a daily? On a daily, soon we will see that some signals for accumulation. That's why, guys, no rush. Now nothing. Now we're just in the air. No accumulation, no distribution. What is good? We crash it down into capitulation zone on a daily time frame. The last time daily time frame capitulation was here in April 25. Good one, good one. So what I don't like, guys, it's hard to predict the time. This is so annoying. Too much noise, too much some random news, too much some investigation, too much the Trump family affect the markets this cycle. So it's kind of weird. Here is this money in. So yes, the wealth accumulates, and a lot. The positive can be in the market because in the next 90 days, I guess, a lot of altcoins ETF can be approved. It can be also the trigger for the alts for pumps. No signal to sell for Ethereum, but I think soon we will see that signal. On the monthly here, last time, 1, 2, 3 months in a row, it was a fixation, we dump it. Now we at the top, but without a fixation. That's why I believe in a last impulse up, and on the monthly, we will see the fixations. That's it. Trade on, sell, buy back, and on the monthly, made 75. And now locally sell, drop, no buyback. And the money here, the trade on, sell, no buyback signal. That's why, yes, guys, let's add alerts to at least to buy back. Buy triangle up. This one on the daily. 12 time frame, yes, nice one. So at least on the 12 time frame, we saw the signal to take profit. Here was a sell. Take profit. So soon we will see the signal to buy, I guess. Last time we saw here sell, take profit, and on the next day we saw the signal to buy. So now we saw the take profit, no signal to buy. That's why for me personally it would be good to see the full fill and the sweep of this one. Test 3K659. And after that, the road will be open to the new all-time high. It's just my personal opinion. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you like to trade as my customer, because I would show it in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time.